In farming, it's important to know the soil moisture and soil temperature on your land. Here's how AgSat can tell you. First, let's get our bearings within AgSat. The soil moisture and soil temperature datasets are available under the map layers. You can access these from the upper right menu in the toolbox. Hover your mouse over the Map Layers button in the upper right of the map. Then click on the Nowcasts heading. These layers are found under Nowcasts because they update frequently. The soil moisture and soil temperature maps are both produced by the Government of Canada and are updated every 6 hours on AgSat. Let's look at soil moisture first. The soil moisture map is an estimate of the amount of water in the top 10 centimeters of soil. Turn on this layer and refer to the color bar in the lower right corner of the map to see the measurement of volumetric moisture content, the volume of water per volume of soil. Dry conditions are indicated by white and beige, grading into wetter conditions indicated by green and blue. Use the time slider in the lower left to look at past estimates for soil moisture. Since this is a measure of liquid moisture, white can also indicate that the soil is frozen. Use the time slider by either dragging the slider or using the arrows to go backwards or forwards in time. Also notice that the date and time of the map you're viewing is indicated on the time slider. Next, let's move on to soil temperature. The soil temperature map is an estimate of the temperature of the soil at the surface. The color bar in the lower right corner shows the temperature in degrees Celsius. Colder temperatures are indicated by purple and blue, grading towards hotter temperatures indicated by orange and red. As with the soil moisture layer, use the time slider to look back in time to see past estimates for soil temperature. These maps have full coverage across most of Canada, with a fairly coarse resolution of 2.5 kilometers. These layers are useful for a broad overview of changes in moisture and temperature over time, but will not be able to resolve small local variations. While viewing these datasets, you can use the AOI menu on the right slide-out tab to easily navigate to the areas of interest you've already created. If you haven't created any AOIs yet, be sure to check out tutorial number 2 for a demonstration of how to do that. To stop viewing these layers, simply return to either of the base maps in the Map Layers menu. In this tutorial, you have learned how to check soil moisture and soil temperature on your land. To learn about other AgSat tools and features, watch our other videos.